January 7, 2018. Took 3 trades today, all on the Euro USD. Honestly, it was kind of a disappointing day for a couple reasons. Alright, so let's take a look. On the hour time frame, the market kind of just had bounced off this very strong level, pushed down, met resistance kind of around here, as we can see future price or previous price points. Let's move on to the 15-minute time frame. All right, so market had bounced off of here, so I kind of noticed that, but the market also seems to potentially be in a downtrend, which is kind of what I was hoping for. But before the price could reach these levels, I'd noticed, this is a very strong resistance right here. Price will probably push up to at least this resistance over here. So I might as well actually. So I entered on this candlestick. Let's hide all tools. All right. So right here, I think I actually took. So I was looking at the 5 and 15-minute time frames for these. So I entered right around here, right? And even though it's not drawn now, the aim was to take profits right a little bit above around here. 3, right? Okay. So I drew this kind of trend line, and the aim was for this to come very close to that trend line, and I was going to take profits at around these levels if I could. However, the market got to around here and started. It looked like it was pushing back down, and honestly, I got scared. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to take myself out of the market manually, and I did for 2 ticks. And of course, immediately after I took myself out, it became obvious that the market was just making a very slow kind of up down trend, but towards in a long um, in a bullish manner. All right, so now which of course coincided perfectly with my initial plan for it to kind of hit this point. So that's what happened, right? So I got out of this for 2 ticks manually. It hit the resistance here, so for the second trade, hit the resistance here. Now I was again trying to go with this kind of shorter term trend, which is established also on the 30, but on the 15-minute time frame, and I was anticipating basically strong, well, not too strong, but just kind of a movement back down here. Market decided it didn't really want to do that, and instead decided to actually break out. Not massively, but definitely once it hit about this point, it pushed up much stronger, in a much stronger manner towards this previous resistance levels. Right, and then after the market did that, I entered a short position here with the intent, which made sense, right? There was a solid significant resistance level, with the intention of taking the trade all the way, well, not necessarily all the way back down, but at least to around these levels, right? So around here. And I was going to take a second look at the trade right around this zone, just because of, when I say this zone, kind of right around here. I was going to take a second look at it, probably a little bit shorter, because there was a lot of resistance going on there. So that's why I entered. So I entered the trade on this candle, the 5-minute chart. Market pushed pretty well in my favor for a while. I think I was maybe 7 ticks. No, I was never quite up to 7. No, yeah, it was. It was 7, 8 ticks or so in my favor. But I was looking for a longer gain. So after the market had pushed strongly in my favor, I actually moved down my stop loss to break even, and the market took me out because I think I actually entered, to be very specific, around these levels. My normal stop is kind of out here, so the market kind of pushed back up, take me out. It's possible that I'll re-enter this trade, but not that likely, to be honest. So we'll see how that goes. Yep, that's it. So those are the 3 trades I took. This was a 2-tick gain, basically a scratch, really. This is actually the one trade I'm really disappointed in, because I should have just stuck with my original motive, this, hey, you entered here, should have gone, just go to your take profit, and that's it. I did move up my stop a little bit, not significantly though. Yeah, because my stop was like just outside this stick. This is the most disappointing one. This one isn't that disappointing because I'm still sticking kind of with my convictions for it. So this third one, where I got off with zero tick gain. And then this one with the 9 tick loss with the anticipation of a push down. I don't know. I'm not too happy with, so and this one I actually entered kind of after this candle form because, you know, strong bearish candle appearing at these levels, pretty much kind of expecting a push down. Just messed around with resistance more before kind of popping up. Yeah, it's not been the best day, but life goes on.